Yo guys, what's up? This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer. Here we build, we share, and we inspire. Well, this is an unboxing video of the recent items that I just got yesterday from Uncle Chen workshop. Well, thanks to him, he sent the items to my office, and well, I just got them today. So the first one is, I have this one. Well, this is ZA Murasame Liger. This is the scale of 172 by the ZA company. ZA. Well, if you guys don't know this company, well, this is actually this is actually known as the Pretty Armor and the Supernova brand. You guys remember the Supernova, the Wing Gundam? We have a lot of wings that time, and also the Pretty Armor girls that are copied from the Frame of Girl. Those are the old company, and they make another one here, and they call it ZA, releasing the Zoid version of Murasame Liger. Well, in the video review from the other reviewers out there, they did mention that this kit is actually pretty nice, and it has a lot of better articulation compared to the real Zoid. I'm curious about that. I'm really curious, but I just got myself to this kit. I'm going to assemble it, but before that, I'm going to unboxing this one so you guys can see all the runners, all the parts that comes inside this box. Well, this is the front view. I hope you guys can see clearly. This is the front view. See, the side of the box, and we have this logo here, Murasame Liger. This one, this one, and also at the back here, there's a ZA logo. But seriously, the artwork of this one is pretty nice, isn't it? Maybe I'm planning to cut this box out and make a frame out of it, because I really like Murasame Liger. But hopefully it does come out as a Murasame Liger and not as a spare part, hopefully. Well, the next item is I also bought this. This is the Gundam Base Limited System Weapon Kit number 004. Well, among the other system weapon kit, I choose the 004 because of, you can see there's a sniper rifle here. It's very nice, and a very big bag here. Okay. So other than that, alright, we have a lot of set of weapons here. We have swords, and we have this thing here. I don't know what it is. The handle, and the sniper rifle, and another rifle here, a weird looking rifle, scope, and set of hands. So these are the only two items that I'm going to unboxing today. So stay tuned for the next minutes, and let's change the setup. Alright, let's start with this Murasame Liger, the unboxing. So carefully remove this part here. Ta-da! There's a lot of parts in here, so I just put it here. The first thing is this. This is a transparent piece. We have the red one here and the black one. Secondly, we have the back's long swords here. Just look at the detail of it. You can see, or maybe we read this right here. I don't know how to read this one. This is what, alien language or something. And we have all these. I think this is for the backpack, or maybe at the back. I'm not sure. And we have this. This is for the details, for the joints, and also we have the joints here too. There's two of them. Next is this part here, the white parts, and we have this too. Yeah, you can see this is the head. Next is with this part. This is for the I'm not really sure. This look like the hinges or the piston for the Liger. And also we have the inner parts here, the frame. And next is we have this piece here. We have the clothes, yeah. And the back here, we have the fit and rest. So next is this piece here. This is for the inner frame, yeah, probably. Okay, let's move on to, well, actually in this kit you get two different color of armors here. We have the blue one and this one is the green one, so you can choose either to use this one or this one here. Pretty cool, huh? Well, this is actually not the first batch that I got. This is the second batch. I hope this is right, Uncle Chen. This is the second batch, right? And they are still giving you the extra set of different color of armors here, which is pretty nice. And we have the water slide decal here. Okay, you can see. So this is a water slide, and we have this wire here. I don't know for what. Oh, for the tail maybe. Oh yeah, for the tail. I forgot. Murasame has a tail. And we have the manual here. F1 here. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Oh my god, just look at the parts separation here. Okay. So this is the legs here. Oh man. So this thing is movable, just like in the anime. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, there's a wire here for the tail. And yeah, this is some poses that you can make. Well, as you guys can see from the pictures here, this thing is very articulated. The articulation is so cool. You can make like this, a simple one like that. Oh my, I just like this sword at the back here. Oh, look at that. And then this pose here. And too bad it doesn't come with an action base, so you cannot do the aerial pose like this one here. This one needs action base, same goes with this one here, but they don't give you any action base because it's empty. So that's it. So this is the Liger. Move on to the next one. This is the System Weapon Kit 004, the Gundam Base Limited by Bandai. Even the logo is already blue here. At the back here, we have the manual, a very straightforward manual at the back. In the front here. So, as I mentioned, there's a lot of parts and weapons available for this one. This thing is very big compared to the action base high grade here. See, it's a very big bag here. So what else? Combine the super intricate parts to create your own unique weapon. Well, this is the purpose of this thing. So we should open this one up. Man, this thing is pretty, just like buying one set of high grade. Alright, so we have the manual here, and also this, we have seen this a lot. Okay, let's start with the manual first. So the manual, the A1 here,
we have set of hands here. There's a two type for the Zaku or the mono eye, and also we have the Gunpla design here, and I don't know what this is for. And we have the stand for the rifle. We have the open one and the closed one, and this is the handle, and the rest are the parts for the weapon. And next one here, we have a set of swords. This is a very nice one. And in this piece here, nothing much. And then this is the handle. Oh, you have two pieces of this one. This is like the Arabian swords design. And yeah, nothing much. This is the barrel for the rifle, and this is the parts for the rifle. Good, very good parts separation there. And let me check out the manual here. So you can make either this design or this one or this one, but I really like this one here. And you can customize your own design using all the parts provided in this. Then you have this piece here too. You can change the scope, the longer one, the short one, and also you have the blades here, or the swords, about kit swords, large, long handle, naginata, and double blade type. Pretty cool. And with this one here, well, this is the hands. Yeah, like I said, this is for the Zaku and the Gunpla or the Gundam type, so you can choose either these two. And we have another manual at the back here. So that's it for the system weapon kit and the Murasame Liger unboxing video. So if you guys interested to get this parts or this Liger here or the other Kotobukiya, the Megami device, mostly on plastic model kit, waifu, and weapon set like the MSG weapon by Kotobukiya, you guys can check out the Uncle Chen workshop. Well, the workshop is actually an online store. It is based in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. Well, currently Uncle Chen only sells within Malaysia, so he can do postage throughout Semenanjung, Malaysia. So anything for the international shipping, you guys can ask him. The links are in the description down below. So that's all my unboxing video for today. I hope you guys enjoy my very simple video, and hopefully to see you guys next time in the next video. So that's all for me today. Goodbye.